Article 13. Mitigating circumstances. The following are mitigating circumstances. 1. Those mentioned to the last preceding chapter when all the requisites needed necessary to justify or to exempt from criminal liability in the respective cases are not attendant. 2. That the offender is under 18 years of age or above 70 years, 70 to 60, 70 years. In case of the minor, she shall be proceeded against in accordance with the provision of Article 80, third paragraph, that the offender had no intention to commit so great damage be committed so grave wrong as that committed, that the sufficient provocation or threat on the part of the offended party immediately preceded the act, that the act was committed in the immediate vindication of a grave offense to the one committing the felony or delito, his spouse, ascendant, or relative by affinity within the fourth civil degree. Fourth of the same degree. Article 11. 6. That of having acted upon impulse so powerful naturally to have preceded possession or obfuscation. 7th paragraph. That the offender had voluntarily surrendered himself in person, in authority, or his agent, or that had voluntarily confessed his guilt before the court prior to the prosecution, the presentation of the evidence by the prosecution, that the offender is deaf and dumb, blind, or suffering some physical defect which thus damages his thinking of actions or defense or communication Article paragraph 9. Such illness of the offender would diminish the willpower of the offender without depriving him of the consciousness of his acts. Last paragraph. And finally, any other circumstances of a similar and analogous to those above mentioned.